Hello everyone, hope you are enjoying your virtual classes. In this opportunity, I want to explain you a little bit more about the platform My English Lab for the teen courses, okay? So you go to the platform, sign in with your institutional email and the password teacher 2020, T capital letter. This is the dashboard. I'm gonna find my course. In my case, it's a Teen 5. I'm gonna check this book that belongs to that course. And I know it's a little slow. And this is my course. Ready? As I mentioned before, if you want to know your course, you just go to settings about the code for your course. In settings, you will find your course. In my case, it's this one. And this is the code that you must give to your students, okay? In order that they can enroll to your course in the platform as well. Okay, what about the notes or the scores for the students? You click on Gradebook. Hi Brenda, I have many courses. If you notice in this part, you can choose the courses. I know I have many, but you only have like 2 or 3 options according to the courses that you were assigned. In my case, I have here my students. There is one that is still missing. And this is the general score for the assignments in the virtual class number 1. If you want to know about every assignment, you go here to this section and you have different options to see the results. I suggest to you this one, Scored Student. In this one, he showed the different levels or the different skills, okay, in the platform. In this case, my students were assigned in the virtual class number 1 reading and listening. So I go to my Google Classroom. Okay, this is my Google Classroom. I check the activity number 1 is about the platform. No, it's other activity. This one is about the platform. So I just open there and he showed me that it's reading. Okay, and I click here, and if you notice, there's still 2 students that they haven't checked the activity in my Google Classroom, but the others they already did. Julian is missing for the score, so I go back to my English lab. I check my student Julian. In his case, in reading, he got 100%. So I just write 100 and it's safe. Okay, let's see. So I guess that my activity 2 is about the listening. There you go, is the listening one. And Julian got the same score, 100%. So in my Google Classroom activity, the listening, Julian, I give this a score. Ready? And that's all that you need to know about this one. Okay, I hope this video will be very useful for you.